Can you show me what you got from Grammy? She's being bashful now. Did you want to say hi to Grammy? Yeah? What did you get from Grammy? A necklace? Can you come here so I can see it?
Thank you, Davy.
Oh, that's nice. And what did you have in your hand there?
Stickers?
Who's that from?
Natalie?
Is it? Did she send you a package?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. Okay, bye, Davy. Goodbye.
Derek, what are you doing?
I'm putting on stickers.
You put on stickers. Where did you get the stickers from?
Natalie.
Let me see.
Look at all these bulbs.
You like that?
Yeah.
Do you have anything you want to say?
No.
No.